This is a quick video to go over some basics regarding sections in ECO. Sections are used to help organize your content and can help define your learning paths within ECO. Sections can either contain pages, which make up your actual content of images and text, or they can contain other sections. Currently, you can see we're sitting underneath the root section, which is the main site section that will house all of our content for the full site. All ECO sections stem from this root folder and will grow from under this umbrella. Let's start by adding a new section under the root folder. We do that by opening up our side menu, turning on edit mode, and we're going to go down to the sections header here and click the plus icon. From here we get three options. We can create a new section. This will insert a blank, unnamed section that contains no pages. Our second option is make copy with new page IDs. So when selected, you'll be asked to select from a list of existing sections which one you'd like to make a copy of. You may have to click the down arrow to find any buried sections or nested sections. But this will make a copy of the section you select, and any changes that you make to the pages within this copied section will not affect the original. However, this will carry over any tracking IDs and interactive IDs, and I recommend changing them to something unique to the section. So I'm going to select WHMIS. I'm going to copy the selected section. You can see it adds it to my list here. Our third option is make copy with duplicate pages. So like the previous option, we select the list we'd like to make a copy of. I'm going to select TDG for this one. I'm going to copy selected section. So this will make a duplicate of the section you select, and any changes that you make to this new section will affect the original as well, including your tracking IDs and interactive IDs. So once we have all our sections laid out that we want, we can either rename them by entering in a section with edit mode still on under section title. I'm going to call this introduction section. I'm going to go back. We can also delete a section just by clicking the red dash next to our section list. That will remove and delete any sections. Note that we can only delete sections that are empty. So we can't delete WHMIS and TDG right now because we have to go inside and delete all the contents just to make sure. We can also reorganize our sections by clicking, dragging the four arrows and picking an order that we'd like. And now that we have everything laid out in the way we want, it's time to start adding pages to our sections, and those pages will house our content. And you can continue on to the page basics video as well to see that. I'm just going to click publish to save our changes, and that's how we deal with sections.